I am Hasin Vaidya, an alumnus of United World Institute of Design, Karnavati University. I first walked into UID back in 2015 as a teenager with nothing figured out, but I knew the journey ahead might be difficult.
But my mentors, peers, and faculty kept me going. UID taught me one lesson that stayed with me forever, that real growth only begins when you step out of your comfort zone.
Somewhere along the way, I discovered my true passion. Design is not about making things look good, it's about solving problems and creating an impact that can change lives. The turning point for me came when UID gave me a chance to work with the Blind People Association.
Spending time with visually impaired individuals, I saw how design could give them freedom, dignity, and independence. That experience changed me completely. For my graduation project, I decided to take a risk and work on a self-funded idea. The result was a wallet which helps visually challenged people count and identify currency notes. What started as a project has now become a market-ready product that has reached thousands across India through collaborations with over 100 NGOs, even in the most remote areas. And in this moment, some brought me back to Karnavati University, and with the help of Karnavati Innovation and Incubation Foundation, I received grant support under Startup India Seed Fund Scheme and Government of Gujarat grant by Industry Commissionerate of Gujarat.
And now, when I walk through these grounds again, I realize something, that I came here as a student, but left as a designer, an entrepreneur, and an innovator, with the courage to be driven by infinite possibilities.